Hi, good morning. This is Indira Shah here. Today I am going to show you a powder that can be mixed with rice and eaten. A highly protein powder, which can replace, anything like sambar or rasam or whatever it is. This will certainly give you very good protein, protein supplement I can say. So I'll just show you what all you need. Okay, here. I have taken 1 cup of dal, yellow moong, okay, 1 cup of yellow moong, okay, that is green gram dal, and equal quantity of urad dal, and quarter cup of horse gram, okay. Horse gram we call it as kulat in Hindi and Gujarati, and kollu in Tamil, and hurli in Kannada. Trust me, if you eat this at least this much every day, it gives you horsepower. My grandmother always used to tell me that kulut gives you, kollu gives you horsepower. This is high in protein, and these are also high in protein. That is why I told you this gives you strength when you eat it. So you need only these 3 items, and then red chilli, whole red chilli according to your family need, and then salt and asafoetida. Now what you should do is you have to fry them all the 4 separately without oil. Just dry fry till you get the aroma and till it turns pink. I'll come back to you. I have fried them. You can just see here. Here. I have fried them till pink. Dry fry. Okay. You will get the aroma also. You can fry this also. And here, I have just heated the salt, the required salt and asafoetida, that is ingu, okay, peringayam. You know why I heat the salt is there will be moisture in the salt. So when you powder it along with these things, it will not get mixed. So you have to remove the moisture content from the salt. That is the reason we fry. Now you have to powder all these things to a fine coarse. Okay, it should not be very thick, coarse. It should be a fine coarse. I'll just powder it and come back to you. Here, I have made it a fine coarse. Okay, now let me just mix it and bottle it up and show you. Here, the kalatha podi is ready. Trust me, this will be very, very tasty, and you will certainly love it. You can mix this with hot rice. You can add either, gingerly oil or even any oil or ghee. You can mix it and eat it. This is very, very healthy. When you're in a hurry, when you're not able to cook, this will certainly come to your rescue because it has all the health point. Everything it can give you, the protein and, everything. So, thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button and bell button for notification because I'm coming up with many more videos connected to gardening, health tips, home front, besides cooking. And please share the link with your friends and relatives. So please give me your feedback once you prepare this kalatha podi. We call this as kalatha podi. Okay, please prepare it. This is really very nutritious food. Even children can eat this. When you make it for children, you can reduce the amount of red chilli, or you need not add the red chilli also when you prepare it for the kids. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. This is Vitvela.